This is my Signal Model 1249 Cool Spot Oscillating Fan. It's a 12-inch model from 1954. It's finished in this metallic Windsor Green with a wrinkle finish on the base. The paint on this fan is all original, and it's a very nice Survivor fan. One of the things that is a design feature of it is this triangular badge. And this badge is unique to the 1954 model year. They never had another model with this badge on it. The badge has this really cool 50s diner font style script on it. And it has these little detail lines that sort of seem to depict motion or airflow. It's rather interesting detail work. The design elements of the cage kind of seem to radiate out from the triangular badge, with the three sort of mirroring elements that seem to come out from the points of the badge itself. It's rather neat styling. We're going to show you a side view of the fan now. Typical of just about everything that was made in the 1950s, this has kind of a forward thrust jet age style to it. Has kind of a teardrop shaped base. The motor itself is a little bit more small than what you see on some other fans, and the blades don't have a terribly deep pitch to them, so they depend on the motor to be able to spin them at a little bit of a higher RPM. But because of the blade design, the fan still runs quietly. We're going to show the back view of it now. And you can see on the side of the motor you've got the 2-speed switch for the motor. The motor in this fan is a 2-speed 4-pole shaded pole motor. One thing of note about these fans is that the motor does get a bit warm to the touch when it has been operating for a while, but that's not really anything to worry about. It's sort of a normal trait of these fans. It also has the oscillating knob, which is on the upper side of the bullet there by those vents. And it's just a simple tighten it to twist to engage the oscillation and loosen it to disengage the oscillation. We're going to turn this fan back around now and give you a demonstration of it running through its speeds. And we're going to turn it on to high speed, which is the first setting on the switch. Speed now. Good. The fan's going to make my table rattle. And we're going to go ahead and shut this fan off now and show you the coast down time. Now the bearings on this fan have been cleaned, which is why the coast downtime is pretty good, even with the oscillation engaged. With that, I will conclude this video. I hope you found it entertaining, and I do thank you for watching. Later.